the data, I think if I get my numbers right, showed that the lowest income areas of Fort Worth actually had the highest or some of the highest improvement in health, like 10,
Yeah, they
11,
did.
12%.
Yeah, we had one
Unpack that a
community.
little bit. That obviously had to be a focus.
It was a strong focus. We broke this city because it's so big into four quadrants. No, we did five. I take that back into five areas. And when we first started, the agreement was we will do one community that we feel like is already a little focused on their health, understands it, that has pretty good access to trails and things. And then we'll do one of our underserved communities where the health is really an issue. We have an area 76104 zip code, which has the highest mortality of any major zip code in this. It did have, it's not so much now, and shorter lifespan than any other areas in our city. And we took it in, we saw a 10.45% increase in their areas in the time
Wow.
we worked on this. It was amazing. But the fun thing was we moved that around into, and then the next one was one of the lower income areas where education levels are low, but we knew they were interested and we really pushed engagement there and we really pushed the built environment. They didn't have good grocery stores and we can't force a grocery store in, but there were lots of dollar stores there and Dollar General and that type stores. So as we were permitting new ones, we said, you need to offer more fresh fruits and vegetables. We would like for you to get this permit to agree to have these products in your store. Most of them did. It wasn't an issue for them. And it made it a little easier. We did some sidewalk vendors for fresh produce carts. We had some vendors who said, pushing an ice cream cart through this neighborhood, I could also push something that sells Gatorade, Powerade, oranges, apples, just peanuts, a little healthier thing. They did pretty well. They didn't do as well in the summer when it got up to 100 degrees, but just some changes. The city's part in this is to make changes, simple nudges and changes in your built environment. Make certain that you got sidewalks, make certain that you got lights, make certain that you got access to your trails. We enlarged our trails network dramatically, but we had to figure out how do we get all these neighborhoods to be where they can access those trails.